this is actually the same day that I finished fixing this combine, but this is a brand new video I'm starting. So I'm here at one of my neighbor's fields that we rent, and these are his two kids, Kipton and Cruz. You guys want to say hello?
Hi. Hi.
Anyways, they're just learning how combines work. Actually, Kipton here is a huge fan, so I'm just happy to bring them along for a ride. And what do you guys think?
Good.
Good? Alright, well there we go. Anyways, we'll just kind of carry on through the video. They just wanted to be on YouTube, so I said, not a problem.
Is this full?
Yep.
I want to see what the window is. Oh, you want? Why is the window not? Have you ever made a video inside Owen's plane?
Yep.
I saw one of them. Is it only one, or is there multiple?
I got one of me in it, and the other video is of Owen practicing with the instructor. No, I do not have a label.
Cruz, if he probably didn't not buy all this John Deere equipment, he could probably have one.
Yeah, but you can't farm with a Lamborghini.
No, I mean, you could probably knock a couple things down, but then you'd have to go picking them one by one.
That's right. Like those sunglasses?
I like my hat.
Excellent.
Real good. Is that him?
Yep, that's our wagons coming in.
Why do you have three?
Well, that is actually a green buggy, so its job is to keep this rolling, and then those are what take it to the farm or town.
PJ or Carter ever come in the combine?
Yep, they were in here earlier today.
Doing what?
I was teaching him how to drive the combine, and Carter was learning how to drive the buggy. Alright, good morning, this is the next day. So we're going to move down to my uncle's. He has a small bin there, and we're just going to set an auger up, put a wagon and buggy right into the wagon, into the bin. So that should go pretty good. And also we got some corn going out tomorrow, so we're going to hook up the 13-inch auger. We're going to get just set up, so if the truck comes either later today or tomorrow morning, we're ready for him too. So I was getting the Massey. Just gonna check the oil of the cock shut. We'll start it, get it warming up so we can take it down the road. We're good for oil for today. Oh, seat's wet. Too far away. Start for corn. Gonna put some gas in the old cock shut. Start heading down to the other farm. Okay, we're all set up here. Well, for the most part, we're gonna go back, grab a set of wagons, get them set up, and then as soon as the dew's off, we'll get moving. We got oil. So it's not all just sitting in the cab of the tractor. It's a lot of running around, a lot of pieces to the puzzle to get the day rolling. Especially, you know, Wes is making feed, and Mike is gathering eggs, so we don't get those guys right off the hop in the morning either. So yeah, just it is a bunch of screwing around, just trying to get your day moving. I should actually say Happy Thanksgiving or Happy Farming. Hopefully, the game plan is we don't have a whole lot of acres to do today, because the last 80 acres of soybeans we have would be the, you know, what we planted after peas, so it was a bit later. So those are going to take, I'm going to say probably end of the week they would go, but the weather looks crappy. So but we don't have a whole lot of acres to do today. I think 70, maybe 75, and we should be able to get back in good time because Mom's cooking a good meal. We are set up good to go. So game plan, we will be combining this field right here. Owen's gonna bring the buggy down, Owen's gonna bring the buggy right in the wagon, auger right in the bin. Done, very simple. These beans are good until, yeah, right there on me. That's good tall bean. Go to the bottom. So they're still a little on the dewy side of life. Need about another hour or so. But I think by the time we get down here, we'll go pretty decent. Yeah. Another hour. Right here. Here we are, last piece of the puzzle. Buggy, combine. Let's get it down. So Wes is just hooking up. He's got the feed made. Now he's got to take it down, put it in the bin for the chickens. And then he's gonna come and help us. Whenever I hook the head up, I want to make sure it's level, and the locks just seem to go into place better. We are going to need rag. There we go. Guts, head, RPM. Two. We're off to the races. Beans in this field are tall and lengthy. They are really good. Pretty happy with them. So I'm finally in the right spot to kind of show. So this is very simple. I combine, Owen comes up, pulls underneath, I fill him. He takes the buggy right over to the bin, unloads into that wagon. Wagon unloads right into the bin, no road time. It's actually a pretty sweet way of doing it. If you could do that every field, that'd be alright, but that's not the way it works. But this is handy. And my Uncle Ross is just on the other side of the wagon, and he's going to fire the tractor up and put her right in. So I just wanted to kind of show this yield map. So this is the exact same variety that was at my farm, and I said where you see the sudden death. You can see this yield map. It's looking pretty solid, and this field is going, it's just coming on up to 10 bushels better an acre average than mine. So that's kind of interesting stuff. I don't know why I got sudden death, but we'll have to just kind of keep an eye on that field and go from there. Because 10 bushel acre average, that's huge. That's a lot of money lost. Having said that, I do know that there's a bunch of people, you have to go very far from this particular area where I'm in, and you hear 20 and 30 bushel average acre soybeans. So I really shouldn't complain about my 52 average, but I do. And we are off to the next field, which is actually funny. If I had more off-road equipment, you could go down a hill, up and over, and it'd be just straight over that way, but we got to go up all the way around. It is what it is. As in, so it'll be 5-6 minutes from here going on the road. But you can literally walk right through the bush, down a gully, over a little creek, up a gully, and you would be at the next farm. But mainly we live where I live, and some places there's a lot of ravine around this particular area. In case you haven't noticed throughout this video, I've just missed right in this right in this area, there's a lot of ravine. Back at it, hooked on. Wes is just cleaning. We got about 40 acres here, not quite, just shy of 40. Should be a good afternoon. It is 1:46 in the afternoon. Owen just rolled in. These guys are gonna get more things down here. I'm gonna get started. Okay, back in the shop. Let's put the combine up before we brought her in. We've got some Thanksgiving dinner. Make sure you like, subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.